This recipe takes 30 minutes to prepare and serves 3 to 4 people. Bright, comforting, and utterly satisfying, this microwave Spanakorizo cooks tender short or medium grain rice with spinach, fragrant dill, lemon zest and juice, and silky olive oil for a zesty, herb-forward Greek one-dish meal. The lemon and dill lift the earthy spinach, while optional crumbled feta adds a salty, creamy finish. Simple, quick, and perfect as a warm vegetarian main or side. Ready in minutes and full of homemade flavor, it's an easy dish to love and share. Let's now check the ingredients. 1 cup short or medium grain rice, rinsed. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 8 ounces, about 225 grams. Fresh spinach, chopped, or 10 ounces frozen, thawed and drained. 2 cups vegetable stock or water. 1 tablespoon fresh dill, chopped, or 1 teaspoon dried. Zest and juice of 1 lemon, about 1 to 2 tablespoons juice. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Optional, crumbled feta and extra olive oil for serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine 2 tablespoons olive oil and the finely chopped onion. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add the minced garlic, stir, and microwave on high for 30 to 45 seconds until fragrant. Stir in the rinsed rice and microwave on high for 1 minute, stirring halfway to lightly toast the grains. Add the chopped spinach, 2 cups vegetable stock or water, dill, lemon zest, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust later, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Stir to combine. Cover the bowl with a microwave-safe lid or plate and microwave on high for 10 to 12 minutes, checking at 10 minutes. Rice should be tender and liquid, mostly absorbed. Remove from microwave and keep covered for 5 minutes to steam and finish cooking. Uncover. Fluff the rice with a fork, add the lemon juice, taste and adjust salt and pepper. Stir to combine, and drizzle with a little extra olive oil if desired. Serve warm, garnished with chopped dill and crumbled feta if using. Now enjoy this delicious Spanakorizo with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.